Hello children, welcome back. Today we are going to study subject English from B High book, chapter number 4, A Truly Beautiful Mind. This lesson is about the world famous scientist, the Albert Einstein. Okay, it describes his childhood, then his studies in the college, and then his discoveries and the prizes he received in the story. So let us see. Albert Einstein was born in 14th of March in the year 1879 in German city of Ulm. Okay, and when he born, his mother recognized that he was a strange fellow. Means his head was too large in comparison to other children. Okay, and so this was the reason students or his friends, they were not ready to play with him. So every time he has to play alone, and mainly he was playing with mechanical toys. Okay, he liked it very much. So when his sister born, newborn sister named Maza, when she born, and on that day he asked that where is her wheels. Okay, means it was his childhood that he was not developed completely. Okay, then further his school headmaster said to his parents that he will not do, means he will not be successful in his future. Okay, when he becomes big and when he studies or doing any kind of work, if he does, he will not get success. This kind of thinking was there in his headmaster. Okay, so when he joined his school at the place called Munich, he scored good marks in each and every subject. Okay, but due to the regimentation of the school, means the strict rules and regulations of the school, he left the school at the age of 15, and for further higher education after some time he joined university at the place called Zurich. Okay, he liked that place very much because that university gave liberty to all the students to show their ideas and concept. Okay, there he got interest very much in physics and mathematics. He focused mainly on these two subjects. Okay, when he was in the college during his university days, and there he met a girl named Mileva Marik, a Siberian girl. Okay, both of them fell in love with each other, and both of them got married over there at that time. Okay, then further in the year 1900, at the age of 21, he completed his graduation. He got his graduate degree from there. Then after 5 years of time, he was studying. Okay, he was doing, means searching work also, and he was secretly doing his research. And then in the year 1905, he published a famous paper, Special Theory of Relativity. In the Special Theory of Relativity, he relates the time and distance, and he said that they are not absolute. Okay, further he described the world famous formula, that is E equals to mc square. ये आप साइंस में देख सकते हो in physics. Okay, E is equal to mc square, which shows the relation between mass and energy. ये भी उसने publish किया था in the year 1905. After 10 years further, he published his general theory of relativity. Means वो इतने मेहनत करते थे, he was studying, preparing, and then he was publishing his knowledge. Then at 1915, in the year, he published general theory of relativity, which shows the gravity between the sun, the stars. Okay, and then further in the year after 4 years in the year 1919 he talks about the solar eclipse. Okay, this was proved, the gravity was proved, which was showed in the general theory of relativity, and it was proved when the solar eclipse happened. It was the proof which he disclosed 4 years back, and also he disclosed the light which gets deflected from the sun. Okay, their distance, at what extent the light gets reflected when it falls from the sun on the stars. And that in the very same year, in the 1919, due to some reason, due to family disturbances, he got divorced from his wife. After that, in the year, after 1 year, he received a job in a patent office as a technical expert in Bern, the place. Okay, and then 1 year later, he won a Nobel Prize in physics, the main subject. Okay, and was known as scientific revolution. इतने साल उन्होंने जो मेहनत की थी, for that he received a Nobel Prize in the year 1921 in physics. Okay, then further after nearly you can see 2030. Around 18 years, you can see over here. Okay, around after 18 years, at 2nd of August, his colleague advised him to speak with the president named Roosevelt, Franklin Roosevelt, because they were planning to drop a bomb. Okay, so the Albert Einstein wrote a letter to the president named Franklin Roosevelt regarding the consequences of dropping atomic bomb. But they secretly, the president secretly, the Americans secretly dropped a bomb over the place called this Hiroshima and Nagasaki in the year 1945, in August 1945. Okay, so he was very upset, Albert Einstein, when he saw that secretly bomb was dropped by Americans on Hiroshima and Nagasaki, because so many people died over there in that year. But this Einstein, he wanted peace and democracy. So for that he himself got into politics in order to improve all those things. And in the year 1955, finally, at the age of 76, he died. But today also, Albert Einstein is known in the world, in the whole world, as a scientific genius. Okay, students? So, सिर्फ आपने सुना होगा Albert Einstein or scientific genius. But what he has done, you can see in the lesson. This was his background when he was a child. He was strange, he was weak, he was not allowed to play with every child. ठीक है, बाकी बच्चे friendship नहीं करते थे. But further, you can see his hard working and how he won the Nobel Prize. And further, today also he is known as scientific genius. So that was the lesson, the history or the biography of Albert Einstein. That's all for today. I hope you understood it.